Oh man, is it cold. We got the back end open. You can't see it because it's all sun washed, but we got the back end open there with the radio station set up. Trying to warm up right now. We are running the buddy pole and it's using the mast that it comes with. We've got the whips fully extended on both sides. We've got the coils set up for 20 meters. It's an overcast day. It's about 40 degrees, I hope. And we are making contacts. This is a Dell Latitude. We've got the Z100 Plus tuner into the IC705, and we're making happy right now. I am using real VNC to connect to the laptop in the back that I showed you, and we are making some contacts. I've got 3 in the log already, and I'm sitting in the front of the truck here, 40 degrees with the heat on, which is probably why you're getting a lot of background noise. But we are making it happen. I'm gonna be doing a lot more in the truck activation over the winter as the weather gets even colder than this, because it ain't even done yet. Whew. All right, so I warmed up with the heat on in the truck. We got K-4295 activated. So I had a couple of goals here. One was to make the video about the USB noise in a nice RF quiet area. We did that. During that time, I had the laptop running and the radio running and the battery running. That took probably an hour or so of filming and setup and tear down and all that fun stuff. Then I was here and I might as well do a POTA, so I did a POTA. And I had another goal in mind with the POTA. The previous activator had 32 total contacts, so I had to beat that, of course. So I ran the Bioenno battery dry, and then I'm working off of the internal battery on the 705, and I started to notice my contacts were getting a little light because I went from 10 watts to 5 watts. So I went back and checked, and yep, that's what was happening. And then when I was back there, I also noticed that the laptop battery was dying. So I got 35 contacts on this Parks on the Air activation, and that should make us good to go as being the park leader here. If not, I'll come back and I'll do it again. It was about an hour and a half, and that battery is the same battery that I used on a recent soda expedition, but that was 6 watts on an FT817. So there was some life already taken out of the battery. Then there was some time set up doing the filming earlier for the other video. Then there was this video. So 3 amp hour Bioenno does a fantastic job on a QRP rig. It is time to get back into the studio and get some more work done. So check out the video on the USB noise. If you're interested in that, it'll be posted right here. I'll see you over there. Thanks for being awesome.